Hello students, welcome on my YouTube channel Physics by Pradeep Kumar. Now in this video we will discuss your same topic, but in this part we will discuss about the density of states. You know very well about the density. Density is nothing but in normally the mass in per unit volume. Okay, in the sense of density of states here is nothing but the number of available electronic states in per unit energy range. Okay, so first of all we will try to understand the meaning or sense of the density of states in case of metals or electronic states. Density of states, which is very important for BSc third year students and MSc third sem students, and in the paper of condensed matter physics or solid state physics, and it is also very important topic in the case of physics of nanomaterials. So see the video very carefully. Now we know that the energy of any electron in one dimensional potential well is given by the expression E equals to n square h square upon 2m. Okay, that means this particular energy which is constant, okay, for a particular value n, 2 and 3. See here clearly, this is an energy level in which it's have two number of electrons due to Pauli exclusion principle, because one electron is have spin up and another electron have spin down. So this quantum number, principal quantum number, related to a fixed energy value, and this energy value represents the number of seats for available for the electrons. क्लियरली ना? देखिए यहाँ पर क्या है कि यहाँ पर एक पर्टिकुलर एनर्जी के कोरोस्पोंडिंग दो एनर्जी स्टेट्स आपकी क्या है, अवेलेबल है ना? तो हम यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे, हमें डिफाइन करना है डेंसिटी ऑफ स्टेट्स, कि कितनी नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स पर यूनिट कहाँ पर किस में एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं आपकी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टेट्स इन केस ऑफ इन टर्म्स ऑफ एनर्जी. तो हेयर वी विल डिफाइन द डेंसिटी ऑफ स्टेट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ एनर्जी. इन सम केसेस द डेंसिटी ऑफ स्टेट इज आल्सो डिफाइंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ द propagation vector k. Okay, because you know very well the relation of energy is also related to the h cross k is k square upon I think h cross k square I think कुछ something यहाँ पर आपका आएगा. ट्राई करेंगे, जब सोल्व करेंगे तब पता चल जाएगा. ठीक है ना? तो तब ट्राई कर लेंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम. तो कुछ ऐसा, तो एनर्जी, दैट मीन्स एनर्जी इज रिलेटेड टू वेव वेक्टर और प्रोपगेशन वेक्टर के. नाउ हेयर वी आर इंटरेस्टेड टू कैलकुलेट द डेंसिटी ऑफ स्टेट्स इन वन डायमेंशनल केस एंड द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द एनर्जी इन वन डायमेंशनल केस we know very well. So here we will find out the density of states by the expression of the energy. But in case of two dimensional and third dimensional potential well, we will define the density of states by the help of k space or k vector. Okay, so in this case we will define the density of states only for one dimensional case, and in further lectures we will find out the density of states in two dimensional case and three dimensional case. The density of states the density of states is defined as the number of available energy states, electronic energy states, number of available electronic energy states in per unit energy range. It is denoted by DE, D of E. Okay, so please write down this thing in your notebook. So if the number of energy states in energy range E to E plus dE is dN, then the density of states is dE equals to dN by dE. But we know that for a free electron gas, each level, each energy level contains two electronic states due to Pauli exclusion principle, in which lies one electron of spin up with spin up and another electron with spin down. So for free electrons we will have to double. Dn. So now d will be equals to 2dn by this. This is equation number first. To determine the value of dE, we have requirement of the dn by dE, and here we are interested to calculate dE in case of one dimensional gas. We know that energy of an electron in nth level is E equals to n square h cross square upon 2m. Okay, so now to determine dn by dE, we find the value of n will be n square to me upon h cross square. So after that, see here, n will be will be equal to to m by h cross square to the power half and e to the power half. So now after differentiating with respect to e, then we get dn by dE, which will becomes to m by h cross square to the power 1 by 2 and multiply by 1 by 2 e to the power minus 1 by 2. So now from equation first, the density of states will be equals to 2 multiply by 2m by h cross square to the power half multiply by half of e to the power minus 1 by 2. After solving this, we will get 2m upon h cross square to the power half into e to the power minus half. This is the expression for density of states in one dimensional case. Okay, so we can conclude that from this expression the density of states in one dimensional case is directly proportional to e to the power minus half. If we want to draw the plot or graph between E and D, then this will be like this. As we increase the energy, the density of states will decrease in one dimensional case, that is like this. Okay, these states will be filled, completely filled, and the states from here will be empty. Okay, so this is the important part of the free electron theory in case of semi-classical theory approximations. So remember this thing. Now square h cross square upon 2ml. I think this expression is something missing here, L, because the expression of the energy is nothing but E equals to n square h square upon 8 ml square. Okay, so there will be, if you want to this term h cross square, so 4 pi square is divided and 4 pi square here will be in multiplication. So 4 2 ja, that means 2m and l square, और ऊपर आएगा आपका पाई स्क्वायर है, पाई स्क्वायर अपॉन एल स्क्वायर, एन स्क्वायर पाई स्क्वायर अपॉन एल स्क्वायर. सो देयर विल बी पाई स्क्वायर एच क्रॉस स्क्वायर अपॉन 2me l square, and there will be n will be 2ml square and upon pi square h cross square. यहाँ पर आपका आएगा 2ml square और यहाँ पर आपका आ जाएगा पाई स्क्वायर. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. तो सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी आपको करेक्शन करना होगा, l स्क्वायर अपॉन h क्रॉस स्क्वायर एंड पाई स्क्वायर. Similarly here L square upon h cross square pi square. और ये तो कंक्लूजन आपका एज इट इज़ रहेगा, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो ये आपका एक्सप्रेशन इस प्रकार से मिल जाता है. ठीक है ना. यू कैन आल्सो कन्वर्ट दिस एक्सप्रेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैपिटल N and Fermi energy by replacing some terms from this expression. Okay, thank you for watching this video.